Repair.Dental can assist with a damaged Schick X-ray sensor. A reliable and functioning dental X-ray sensor is an essential tool for any dental practice. However, the unfortunate reality is that equipment can malfunction or break down, causing significant disruptions to a dental clinic's workflow. One such common issue is a broken Schick X-ray sensor, which can pose challenges for dental professionals. Fortunately, Repair.Dental is here to provide expert repair services for broken Schick X-ray sensors, ensuring a quick resolution and minimal downtime for dental practices. The Schick X-ray sensor is a critical component of modern digital radiography systems in dental clinics. It allows dentists to capture high-quality intraoral X-ray images swiftly and accurately, aiding in the diagnosis of various dental conditions. Common issues with broken Schick X-ray sensors include sensor damage, cable connectivity problems, image distortion, or sensor failure. Addressing these issues promptly and effectively is crucial to ensure uninterrupted dental services and patient care. The repair process begins with a thorough evaluation of the broken sensor to identify the underlying issue. The skilled technicians then employ their expertise to fix the problem, be it repairing physical damage, resolving connectivity issues, or recalibrating the sensor for optimal performance. They ensure that the repaired sensor meets or exceeds the original manufacturer's specifications, ensuring accurate and reliable imaging results. The company's commitment to customer satisfaction is evident through their efficient customer support, providing timely updates and answering any queries throughout the repair process. By choosing Repair.Dental for your Schick X-ray sensor repair, you can enjoy several advantages. Firstly, their services are cost-effective compared to purchasing a new sensor, which can save your dental practice valuable resources. Their fast turnaround times ensure that you can resume your dental services without prolonged disruptions. They keep you informed throughout the repair process, providing timely updates and addressing any concerns or questions you may have. If you are facing a broken Schick X-ray sensor, Repair.Dental is your trusted partner for expert repair services. With their extensive knowledge, cutting-edge tools, and commitment to customer satisfaction, they can effectively address the issues plaguing your sensor. Don't let a broken sensor hinder your ability to provide excellent dental care. Contact Repair.Dental today and let them restore your Schick X-ray sensor to its optimal condition. Do like, share, and subscribe to our content.